Susan has retinitis pigmentosa, a retinal degenerative disease, and now she can no longer see. But there may be a solution for her: the Argus 2 retinal prosthesis system. This morning, Susan has an appointment with a specialist in this type of prosthesis. He does tests to see if the Argus 2 is the right treatment for her. And this is indeed the case. How does this device work? An implant is placed in the back of and around the eye. A small camera mounted on a pair of glasses transmits images to a portable unit that processes the signals and wirelessly sends them to the electrode array, which stimulates the retina and transmits light impulses to the brain. The surgery lasts a few hours, and after 2 weeks of recovery, Susan comes back to have her portable unit custom programmed. With the help of low vision specialists, she is gradually learning to make out the shapes that surround her. Now she is ready to start her adventure with the Argus 2, just like many others all over the world. Contact us if you think you or someone you know might be a candidate. Call toll-free on 0800 520 0925.